You will be amazed to know that this temple is around 5000 years old. Yes, according to Hindu mythology, it is believed that this temple was built by Pandavas. This is the main entrance gate, and these stairs are leading towards the temple. Namaste, welcome back to my channel The Himalayan Architect, and today I am at very famous Mamleshwar Mahadev temple, which is very famous in a small town known as Karsok. So here we go. The Mamleshwar Mahadev temple belongs to Lord Shiva and his wife goddess Parvati. It is one of the renowned pilgrimages, and also it is one of the oldest in Himachal Pradesh. This beautiful wooden carved door is the main entrance to the temple. It is believed that this temple was built by Pandavas during their exile period as a devotee of Lord Shiva. In the center, this is the idol of Lord Shiva and the goddess Parvati, which is made in Ashtadhatu, and this is the beautiful interior of the temple. While doing the parikrama, we found out this huge dhol of Bhim. Can you see it in the front? So this is the huge dhol which belongs to one of the powerful brothers in the Pandavas, and it is believed that this dhol is also 5000 years old, and this he used to play as a devotee for Lord Shiva. So these are the beautiful wooden carvings that has been done on the exterior facade of the temple. Now talking about the architectural style, the temple is aesthetically appealing, and the architecture is very interesting, and the style is known as Kathkuni style. It is the architecture which is made up of stone and wood, and it is very famous in the hilly areas. This unique style is earthquake resistant, and there is no cutting and nailing done. The various type of joints are used, such as tongue and groove joint. Now this particular building is known as Kothi, and it can be found in Himalayan temples standing tall next to the main temple building. It also serves as a granary and storage area for the temple. So there are these 5 shivlings which can be seen outside the main temple area, and it is also believed that these were also established by the Pandavas. Temple is also rich in culture and tradition. The most popular Shiva festival, known as Mahashivratri, is celebrated in this holy temple. Large cascades are carried out within the city, and people get excited to catch a glance of idol on the street. And I got lucky to find out that there were some wooden carving work was going on in the temple that time. So let me show you how these wonderful carvings are done. It was good to know that these are the local artisans who are working on the carvings. So first of all, these patterns are made on the wooden plank, either by hand or by using tracings. After attaining the desired patterns, then these wooden planks are taken to the another level. In this, these wooden planks are being carved using the chisels or the other instruments, and these patterns are being made as it is. And trust me guys, it is a lot of work because it requires a lot of precision and a hard work. Right now he is working on the plank, and this has to be made exactly like this one, and it was really pleasure watching them doing this work. So next, Let's move on to the building complex. So building complex is quite big and it consists a lots of halls and the rooms. So this one is the big hall which is used during any festival time, and you can see the big utensils or the kadahis which is used to make prasad as kheer during the time of Mahashivratri, and these are few instruments. So these are the rooms which are used as the dormitory purpose, and the people visiting the temple can stay in these dormitories. Now I would like to take you to the place which is near the entrance, and it is full of surprises. So there are lots of sculptures and idols placed. So these idols were found underground whenever the nearby land is excavated. But nobody knows from where these idols are appearing from. Isn't it interesting? So guys, that was all about Mamleshwar Mahadev temple, and this temple is one of the good examples of Himalayan temple architecture, and I hope you have liked this video. And in case you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And we will meet again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Namaste.